3號強風信號現正生效，預料本港平均風速每小時41至62公里。天文台話，按照現時預測路徑，熱帶風暴馬力斯會移向清遠一帶，喺中午前後喺本港西北大約200公里掠過。馬力斯會喺中午前持續為珠江口一帶帶嚟偏南強風同埋狂風大驟雨，預料3號強風信號會至少維持到中午12點。
The observatory says it expects the strong wind signal number 3 to remain in force at least until noon. The need to issue the standby signal number 1 thereafter depends on the degree of weakening of tropical cyclone Maliksi over inland areas and the changes in local wind conditions. Maliksi has made landfall over Yangjiang City in Guangdong, and according to the present forecast track, it will move further inland. Speaking earlier, Tong Yufai, a senior scientific officer at the observatory, gave this prediction.
Unless Maliksi intensifies rapidly or adopts a track closer to Hong Kong, the chance of issuing higher tropical cyclone warning signals will be rather low.